everyone! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in this world. Mega love shout out to all of you. So late coffee guys, that is morning. Morning, umagang kay ganda. Ayan po, as you can see, wala pa tayong hilamos dyan. So just woke up in the morning and taking coffee. Ayan, sarap niyang loaf bread na yan guys with coffee. Oh, syempre hindi ko naman nauubos yan, no? Oh, yan, half portion po talaga ang naubos ko niyan. Oh, di ba? So let's coffee. So hanggang dito na lang po ang ating vlog for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Kung baguhan ka pa lang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, share, and likes. Thank you so much for my members, supporters, and also to my silent viewers. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Bye!